This is magenta plant. It's a pretty green leaf plant that grows in my garden, and it has a secret. I'm going to show you that secret. It's just growing in the garden amongst the other plants. Sometimes it flowers. It has little tiny flowers which are magenta coloured. But that's not the reason it gets its name magenta plant. And I'll show you what the secret is. It's quite magical. Lovely green leaves. I've just put those magenta plant leaves into a see-through container which is heat-proof. And now I'm going to pour hot water on it and wait for a while. Probably I might use the magic of time lapse to see what happens. If I left a little bit longer, it would go much darker. Who would have thought that this pretty green plant contains such a magical secret? A magenta dye that's not only beautiful, but also edible and useful.